ถอดเสื้อนั่นขาก็ต้องเย็บเลยเย็บด้วยอ่ะพี่ถอดเสื้อรู้เลยอ่ะ
Hello, you are listening to the Pattaya News. I'm Adam, and here's today's headlines for December 23rd, 2019. A police officer riding his motorbike in the Banglamung area had an accident allegedly caused by a suspected epileptic seizure and lost control of his motorbike, sending himself injured into a local ditch in the area. Several residents and witnesses saw the accident and immediately rushed to go ahead and assist the major, known as Mr. Tapong, and help him out of the ditch. He had suffered several injuries, including a suspected serious fracture to his left leg. Rescue workers in the Pattaya News arrived, and rescue workers from the local hospital came to assist and take him there. He was in extreme pain, however, thanked the rescuers for helping him. A friend of Mr. Tapong's, who was present at the scene, stated that he had a history of epileptic seizures and also thanked the local residents for assisting the police officer. As always, stay tuned for the latest and greatest in local, regional, and national Thai news.
เคขับรถไปครับแล้วก็อยู่เคก็หลับแล้วก็รถตีลงไปนู่นเลยครับข้างทางเลย
Thank you.